had acne for years. I've had texture problems for years. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm apologizing for this crazy angle. I'm very aware that it's very odd. I have absolutely no idea how to shoot a skincare routine. I've never shot a skincare routine, but this is the most highly requested video. This isn't new news. I've been on YouTube for quite a few years, actually a lot, and you guys who have been following me this long have seen my skin go through a crazy journey. I've had acne for years. I've had texture problems for years. I've had redness, discoloration, acne, clogged pores, you name it. This is like the freshest it's ever felt, looked. I'm taking really good care of my skin lately because a lot of times when you have acne, you feel like you try and you don't see any results. Yeah, this is the first time I want to say that I've actually found a skincare routine that works for me and where I see results. I see a lot of these videos on YouTube where people are just kind of like, do XYZ and it'll clear in a week, and like that's a lie. Everybody's skin's different, and the key to clearing your skin is learning your skin. My skincare routine specifically works on me, and my friends have been really complimenting my skin lately, and they've tried some of my stuff and it's worked on their skin. So I'm wondering if I just like found the perfect array and alignment of products that literally equal clear skin. I don't know. We have this weird angle because right over here is my sink. Step 1, cleanser. This is my cleanser. It is Youth to the People cleanser, and it's kale and green tea, spinach, vitamins infused. I got this as a sample at Sephora because I spend so much money at Sephora. I had X amount of points, and they were like, would you like to redeem your points and get one of these products? And they're like this small. And I said, sure. It was one of these guys. And my skin automatically, I was like, oh my God. This is really random. I would have never bought this on my own because it was free. I redeemed my points. I tried it, and I'm really glad I did. It really changed my skin. And I just like rub it into the spots that I get acne. I always get acne on my forehead and like my T-zone, like right here. So I just did the cleanser. Fun fact, I feel like my skin has always had so many issues. I always used to hide behind like heavy eye makeup. I just went to BeautyCon New York in April, and I pretty much almost wore a bare face. I walked the carpet with just concealer, highlighter, mascara, and brows. I didn't wear like any makeup. I don't even think I wore foundation. The next thing in my regimen after I use that cleanser, I use an exfoliator. I do not use this every day. Sometimes I skip this step because sometimes this is a little abrasive. It'll bring up some of my little red bumps. I feel like I'm really clogged pore prone. If I do something wrong in my regimen, I'll get like bumps on my forehead. This is perfect if you want like baby smooth, shiny, fresh skin, because what it does is it takes off dead skin and all that stuff. I also like to use this in the morning if I feel like really gross after I wake up. I feel like this makes me feel fresh and clean. Oh my God, I didn't tell you guys what I use. I use Palmer's coconut oil formula, and it's a coconut sugar facial scrub. And Palmer's is the shit, guys. They sell it at CVS. This isn't branded. I got this as a sample at BeautyCon, and it smells like you want to eat it. Like my friends try to lick the bottle. Okay, after I do that, I feel really good about myself. Like my skin, it's like I'm reborn. So the next thing I do is add a serum. This is, I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's a Paris brand. Oh my God, I'm gonna get butchered. Codal? I don't know, but again, I got this the same day Sephora gave me this mini sample. I got this. It was like a skincare thing. And together, it works like magic. And they don't come together. They're completely different brands. But my friends and I swear by it. Like all my friends are shook by it too. I'm gonna sound so uneducated. This just works really well on my skin. I don't know the specifics, but all I know is that Using this serum has helped in brightness. I'm gonna put a before and after photo right here. My esthetician literally took a photo of my skin in February and took a photo of my skin a month ago, and in both photos my skin's pretty clear. The difference is the brightness. The color is more even. It's not as discolored. Those photos were taken in the exact same spot, exact same lighting, just 2 months apart, and in those 2 months I started using all these products. Like I said in the beginning of this video, everybody's skin's different, but at the same time this is just like magic. So I'm gonna have everything linked down below. The last thing I do in my regimen, I have a moisturizer. I alternate between two. I use this oil, and it's the same brand. These are both Palmer's, the same brand as the exfoliator. They all smell like yummy coconut and creamy, and they're just so yummy. They also are very like organic at the same time. So this is a water-based moisturizer. I'm gonna use the Luminous Hydration Facial Oil. Guys, this stuff smells like dessert. Oh, it's so good. Like so. So that's my skincare routine. I can't believe I filmed this video. It's been very, very requested. JK, my last step is putting on chapstick, because if my whole face is hydrated, I want my lips to be hydrated. I use Smith's lip balm, and it's the strawberry scent. So that was my skincare routine. If you guys aren't a blue babe, you guys should become a blue babe. And you guys don't have to dye your hair to become a blue babe. If you just hit the subscribe button, that's how you become a blue babe. We just hit 2.2 mil. 2.2. I haven't been this happy in a very long time. A girl is happy. I know my skincare routine helps the glow, but I definitely think I have an inner glow too, so it's kind of helping. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.